Okay, so in this first Photoshop tutorial, I'm just going to show you how to quickly, using the AI feature, it's a good one, it's a quick one, and use the AI feature to just essentially remove objects from an image. So say for example in this example here, I'm just going to show you is a photo of my sister when we went to India um, about a year ago. So I think this is in Jaipur, but she basically wants this photo to be edited so we can remove these people out of the background and the foreground and just replace it as a clear photo. So Photoshop's AI feature is probably the best way to kind of do it. It'll probably give you the best results depending on the background. I just want to demonstrate this as a really good way to do it. So all you want to do is open up the layer. So as I just double clicked it and just created a new layer by just double clicking it and just hitting OK. The first thing that you want to do is if you select the subject, so if you use the marquee tool, just highlight the object using your cursor, and literally that's how you do it, and just go GenerativeFill, and this is what I'll type in. Okay, so I'm just going to use the prompt remove person replace with the image background. It's a very simple prompt, but I think this is good enough for Photoshop to understand and read from. So I'll just give that a second to update. So should give us the right output in this instance here. With this one here on the left here, that one should be a lot easier compared to this one, but this one should give a pretty cool option. So there you go. Pretty good from what I can tell. It's almost flawless. You can see some of the smudging there, but I think it's pretty good for what it gives you. Yeah, quite good. And then obviously keep in mind Photoshop gives you 3 options here on the right to pick from. So obviously just keep that in mind. Alright, pretty good, right? I think maybe the first or the second are the closest to what we want, considering the right hand side of this object here. Or maybe number 2. Yeah, but you can see it kind of smudges and does a bit here, but yeah, it just depends on what you need really. And then obviously if you want to change the reference image, you can do that here, but yeah, it might use a little bit more of your PC. So if you want, I'm pretty sure Photoshop can generate a few more versions if you hit generate again, but in this instance that's pretty good. And then just with this one, I'll just do again remove. I'll just do remove from image. Photoshop is a little better at understanding prompts compared to AI, Canva's AI feature, so just keep that in mind as well. And it's nice that Photoshop gives you a few options. Obviously I'm paying for Creative Cloud, so you probably are as well if you do have access to Photoshop. So just keep that in mind also. So this one should give us a few options there. Yeah, pretty nice. So quite good. I can't enhance these images here because I'm using an older version of iOS, but you should if you've got a newer version. If you want new versions of your generation, you can just go generate similar and it'll give you another 3 options, which is really cool, really powerful. And then here are your generations here as well, so you can go back and click into each one of these if you wish as well. Okay, hopefully that kind of makes sense. I'll go into a few more cool tools in different videos down the line, but including like the sky replacement tool and different ways of using the GenerativeFill. So hopefully you found this useful. My name's Arnold, and I'll be posting these tutorials on a more regular basis If you need help with a project, just let me know or leave a comment. Or if you'd like to know what type of project you like, leave a comment and I'll try and make the next video as soon as I can. Thanks.